Greetings everyone, welcome back to Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today what I have here is a 93 classic baby Triceratops. I believe this came with the Dilophosaurus or the Gallimimus 93 classic. So here's an extra baby Triceratops and another Hammond Collection Triceratops that came out from the first wave of the Hammond Collection a couple years back. Alright. And of course we have the brand new baby Triceratops here. A young Triceratops actually came from the Jurassic World movie. So here it is. We already did all of these three. And I heard there's another variant of the young Triceratops if you buy it at Ross. So this one's from Target. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Okay guys. This looks like our last Hammond Collection. But hopefully the next few months there'll be more. Let's take it out. Yep, so this is the Target version because the Ross has green in it. Has some green spots on its crest on the back. Okay guys, looks like they didn't even... Oh, okay, there's a strap over there. Let's take out the tail first. Tiny tail. That's looks like they strap its neck. Uh-oh, I don't want to damage it. What? Okay, there you go. Let's put the tail on. Oh wow. All right, got that in. So let's check if the mouth opens up. Yeah, it does. Just a little bit. Okay, there you go. So it's got a marble eye. Nice articulation. Let's see the underbelly, nice and gray. So yeah, they say that the Ross version is like greener here. Also has some green here, but I can't find that anymore. Every time I go to Ross, there's no such thing as a Hammond Collection I see over there. So yeah, let's see the baby. Let's take off the cage thing. Okay, so this is definitely a very young Triceratops, and our adult Triceratops, another Hammond Collection. Let's see the difference of the... Okay, so the color is still different. Same articulation, but the mouth, this Hammond Collection does not move though. Does not open up. Because they didn't thought about that, and the eye still got marble. This one got better. So Mattel is actually doing all marbles now, marble eyes. Alright guys, well, nothing special about this. This feels like a common dinosaur. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Actually, I'm kind of behind on my new hybrid because I got a few days I'm just so busy. So I am behind. But anyways, thank you for your patience. And we'll see you again in the next video. Okay guys? We're gonna do that the Punga Shawi, that flying pterosaur. Okay guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye for now.